Good morning guys, my name is Alturas Patrick from BSIT 2B. And for today's video, I will show you how to download Thonny application version 4.1.7. Let's go! You can use any kind of browser like Opera, Chrome, Edge, Brave, any kind of that. And I have an Opera browser. And first search Thonny, this one, 4. I have this one, version 4.1.7, and just click free download for PC and just X that advertisement and just wait for a few seconds. And here the installer of Thonny 4.1.7, and just click save. Wait lang, I can see. Yan, just click save. And after that, you can go to your file manager or just click here and double tap this. So, tagal lang. If ganito naman po yung lumabas sa inyo, just click here. Go to your security at Aglanes and just click virus and threat protections. And go to your virus and threat protection settings. Just click manage settings. Just off this one. And off nyo lang po yung mga nakalagay dito. And dismiss. And go to relaunch again. Relaunch download. Just wait for a few seconds. Then click here. And just click here. Then install. Just wait for a few seconds. Then next, accept. Then run. Then next. Then kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng shortcut or desktop icon sa desktop nyo, just click nyo lang to para lumabas siya dun sa may pinaka-desktop nyo. Para hindi nyo na siya kailangan i-search or hanapin. Then click nyo lang, then install. Then yun, wait nyo lang to. Saglit lang naman to. Siguro wala pa tong mga 10 seconds, 20 seconds, ganun. It depends sa computer or sa any device na gamit nyo. Then finish. So here, the Thonny in my desktop. So just click here. Ito yung laman ng Thonny. As you can see, we have file, edit, view, run, tools, and help. Dito naman sa files, makikita nyo dito yung paggawa ng new tab. Pag-open ng folder, if you have recent files na na-save, you can open using this, and especially sa pag-save. And also we have a shortcut key. You can use Ctrl N, Ctrl O, Ctrl S, and we have the shortcut button here. You can click this one or this one or this one or save if you don't want to use the shortcut key like Ctrl N, Ctrl O, ganun. And dito naman sa edit, we have undo, rendo, cut, copy, paste, etc. And also we have a shortcut here if you want to use it. Nandito yung mga shortcut key niya like Ctrl Z, Ctrl Y. And then sa view naman, if for example, nawala tong assistant shell, nagblanko siya ng white. So you can go to the view and just click assistant and shell, this one, para lumabas ulit siya. Then sa run, ito naman yung kung mayroon na kayong na-code, you can just click this one, or you can use the shortcut key for F5, or you can use this one, button, if para hindi nyo na kailangan i-click dito sa run. And then siyempre sa debug, andito din. Then meron din dito sa labas, you can click that. But before you click this, you need to save your file first, then etc. Then ayan na, testing natin mag-print. Guys, pag magpiprint kayo, hindi pwedeng capital or mayroong space, kasi for example, capital. I will give you an error example. Hello world. And always check this one. Eto lalabas as is yung error. Like kung anong name yung error is not defined daw. Python doesn't know what print stands for. So, para maayos yan, and then dito rin sa baba, hindi siya lalabas. Ayun na nakalagay is, file string, line 1 is in module, name error, name print is not defined. So, lilitan nyo lang yan, then click run. Ito, lalabas na ang hello world. So, lagay natin ang ating name. Alturas. Patrick M. And then, yan. Then, run ulit natin siya. As you can see na gumana. Malalaman nyo naman siyang gumagana pag once na walang error na lumabas sa assistant and sa my shell. Then, try natin maglagay ng space. Diba? Nag-error siya. So, makikita nyo sa baba sa my shell na file string or kung saan line siya. Line 2. Print Alturas Patrick M. Identification error unexpected indent. So, malalaman nyo kung nasang line yung error. So, pwede nyo siyang tanggalin yung space. Then, you can run again. And sa debug naman, this is the... ito yung kailangan nyo i-click para i-save nyo tong files nyo. Just click this one. Then, put your name or anything if you... kung anong gusto nyo ipangalan, you can use that. But sa akin kasi is name. Ayan, Alturas. Then, save. Ayan, nakasave na yung file ko. So, I can click the debug. Kung meron man tayong kailangang i-debug. And parang ang tulong na itong step into parang ina-highlight niya is not working as it should, then consider using some general debugging techniques. Diba? This is the use of debug. And syempre, kung gusto nyo i-resume yung pagko-code nyo, just click nyo lang tong resume, or kung gusto nyo i-stop naman, just click the stop. And that's all. I hope you understand how to install Thonny version 4.1.7 application. And that's all. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Peace out.
Audio Jungle.